Are your headlights yellow and opaque? If your vehicle is older than 5 years, the ultraviolet protection on your headlights may have failed and the plastic of the housing has started to degrade. The result is a loss of light emission that can exceed 50%, greatly reducing your ability to see at night. Our restoration service consists of removing the failed coating and damaged plastic to make the headlight clear and transparent like they were when they were new. Once restored, we apply a nano-ceramic coating to give them UV protection and prevent further degradation. Our headlight restoration service is a fraction of the cost of replacing the headlights. Depending on the usage of your headlights and the exposition to the sun, you can expect your restored headlights to remain clear and transparent for a period of around 5 years, the equivalent of new headlights. Don't wait to have an accident at night due to poor visibility. Request an appointment right now using the form on our website. We will contact you to find a time that is convenient for you for our visit. We're looking forward to meeting you and give you the security of having headlights in perfect working condition.